Hey guys, Jason here with BounceWater Inflatable Sales. We have with us TJ from GI Party Rentals. He came from out of state, happened to be in Orlando for a few days. He's been looking around in the market for water slides to expand his business. Gave me a phone call. We talked quite a bit about the inflatable rental business, and he said, well, I'll be in Orlando. Do you mind if I check out one of your units just before I decide to make a purchase? And he has several, but he just wanted to see the quality and kind of see what we were about. So I'll pass it off to TJ. Again, this is out in front of our shop here. We just blew it up for him. This is our 19-foot single lane Baja. You'll see it a lot. Baja is just a big time color and a big time renter. But again, I've went over quality of the units and how well they look. And we're on a 1.5 horsepower blower here with no problem. Everything is blown up easily on a 1.5 on a bigger unit. You'll also notice it's a 19-footer. But easily, I mean, we're a true 19-footer, not roughly 19 foot. It's a true 19-foot, so easily maybe I'll rent it for a 20 or 21-footer in the marketplace. But TJ, what was your thoughts on calling me and meeting me and us coming down and taking a look at it? What do you think about it?
Well, first of all, I want to say that Jason has been very professional. He has been very honest and upfront about his material and about the product that he sells. This particular slide, the first one he showed me, I've been extremely impressed by it, about the way it's put together, all the safety features, the dynamics, the length, everything is true to size. So I found Jason on Facebook, and I reached out to him, and he did reach out back to me, and he was very prompt. And I just like the quality of the slide that he sells. So I would definitely recommend BounceWater slide if you do need anything. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm glad we made the trip we're from Savannah, but we did happen to be in the area of Orlando, and I think the trip was worth it. So absolutely, I feel good about my purchase today.
You're good. Well, we definitely appreciate all of you guys and TJ for sure giving us a shot.
Yes, sir.
This is his first one. We're going to blow up a 16 center climb for him. He may be interested in that, and I'll guarantee you he's going to make very good money with this. And he's going to come back and see us. We're going to build his business, and the competitors around him who opt to go elsewhere to buy, they'll see that he's in town and he's coming. So don't be that guy. Be the guy that gets from BounceWater Sales. Let's grow your business. Thanks so much. You guys have a great day.